I think the reason that most parents homeschool is because at the end of the day, they just want a better life for their kids. Hi, my name is Aurora Lipper, founder of Supercharged Science and Math. Now, you might be here because the curriculum you're currently using isn't working out the way you'd hoped. Maybe your son or daughter is overwhelmed and frustrated. Maybe they're just plain bored with math and science. Or perhaps you know they need a more solid hands-on education in science or a math curriculum that's actually interesting. Maybe you're looking for something that teaches science and math in a way that they can actually relate it to the real world, and your students will be able to remember it so they can use it later in life, down the road, in high school, college, and beyond. I hear from parents who are overwhelmed with trying to manage all the lessons, the experiments, the activities that they don't even know how to do themselves, but they don't want to let their kids down, so that, parents, they do their best and they wind up struggling. Maybe you're looking for curriculum that has absolutely everything your child needs to learn from a topic from start to finish, including all the activities. They can do it on their own. Also has access to an expert teacher to answer all their questions. So you don't have to know a thing about the subject. After all, you really work hard enough as it is as a parent. You shouldn't have to be a master of everything from chemistry to algebra. Maybe you've tried other curriculums or all-in-one programs and there's got to be something better for my child. Or maybe you're new to homeschooling and you figure, well, if you're going to put all this effort into homeschooling, you want to get your son or daughter the best math, the best science curriculum that you possibly can. Maybe you're here because you've heard about my award-winning Supercharged Science and Math curriculums and you want to learn more about them or just try a sample. Now, if you could relate and resonate with any of these, you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you an approach to having your children learn science and math that allows them to learn concepts much more easily, understand them better, and remember them literally for years. I'm also going to show you how your kids can enjoy learning far more than more traditional methods of teaching math and science. The program will adapt to your child's most unique learning style way better than other methods that are out there. This program will prepare your child for the kind of science and math that they're going to need in college and later in life. And also, this method does without you needing to spend a lot of time preparing lessons or experiments or buy expensive materials or needing to answer science and math questions that you really don't have a clue about. So the key to doing all of this is to make sure that whatever math or science curriculum you choose, it incorporates certain key elements. If you want to learn more about choosing a math or science curriculum that includes these key elements, I want you to click one of the buttons on this page that says how to choose a better science curriculum this year or how to choose the right math curriculum for your child. Or if you'd like to see the difference between this approach to learning and how it can actually make the difference to your son or daughter, I want you to click on the button that says try a free science class or try a free math class. This is the easiest way to see what learning math or science could really be like for your child. Kind of like getting a free sample of a delicious meal before you actually order it for real. And if you are just getting started with homeschooling and you want to do things right from the beginning, I want you to click the button that says new to homeschooling or new to homeschool math, new to homeschool science, that button. And I'll make sure you get all the information that you need. By the way, it's my mission to get kids the absolute best homeschool science and math education that they can get. Now, whether you're using my curriculum or not, I'd like to personally invite you to email me with any questions that you might have about homeschool math and homeschool science. My email is aurora@superchargedscience.com. I look forward to hearing from you. All the best to you and your family.